Hey boys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Derek's View. After a long time, we'll be vlogging today. Yes, for a couple of days I was making ASMR videos, right? You guys must have seen. Today I thought we'll do a fun city drive. We'll talk about few things and talk to you as well. After a really long time, I'm coming out with my camera. So we got few questions which our subscribers have shared. So let's talk. Oi! What did Cycle Auntie do there, man? Alrighty, we are here on the Devanalli Bengaluru Hyderabad highway. So there is one more thing here, boys. People in Bangalore, people who are planning to ride on this road, be careful. They have installed the AI cameras, speed check cameras. So maintain a speed limit below 80. So you should be good. I will show you the camera placement today, where all they have placed the cameras. So be a little bit extra cautious whenever you are on this road. Maintain your speed limit. Please don't exceed the speed limit. And there are multiple police who are standing with the speed gun also. I'll show you them also. So just be careful. Please don't ride fast. Alright. So here there is one on both the sides going and the oncoming traffic also. So here there is the pillars for the AI camera. So from here we got to drive at proper speed limit, which is below 80. Exceeding that can lead to traffic tickets, so we don't need that. Actually, this kind of speed limit is actually good. It is not bad. So currently Bangalore, it has started raining, boys, every day, and then evenings and nights it rains like whenever it wants. So coming out doing a vlog is little bit not that safe for me, because DJI ka camera is waterproof only when all the ports doors have been shut. If the ports, the mic port or the charger port is open, it is not considered waterproof. So if there is rain, water hitting at that spot, and if the water goes in, that's it, then I might face an issue. Wow, look at that Porsche G-Wagon. My god, what am I looking today? So because of that reason I'm unable to come during the rain. So otherwise I would come and make a vlog during the rain also. So was another thing, one of our subscribers had messaged that their bike's battery keeps running out. So looks like bro doesn't drive the bike regularly because he's held up with some kind of work. That's what he said. And the motor requires a lot of battery electricity, right, to start. So it is not like a 150cc where it requires a Chintamintu battery, right? It requires a lot of power. So battery consumption will be higher with a 650 motorcycle. So I'd recommend you guys to drive it for at least twice a week, for at least 15 to 10 kilometers. That should keep your battery healthy and stay fit. Otherwise this is another AI camera. This is another speed check here. So there is another speed check pole. So here there is another camera placed, speed camera right here. So you got to be very careful on this road, boys. It's not like before.
Much later.
On the previous signal there were cops. They looked at me, then they did not catch. Power of coverage, dude. Nobody can identify with when you have the DB killer. Those guys gonna get caught, I'm sure. Hopefully there's no cops, because you know those two interceptor which went right now, they had the SS motor cop, but looks like there's no cop ahead. Let's see. I'm not sure, because here also they'll be checking. There is another cop right here who will be standing with a speed gun, so we gotta maintain the speed limit. So it says 80 right here, so let's stay at 60, 65. Here you go. There is our cop with the speed camera. So this is one spot, so you've got to be very careful. So here the cop is standing, right? In front there is a chota toll gate kind of a thing. So there they'll be catching. So you've got to be very careful. See, there you can see them standing, right? A bunch of cops. You will get the info here, they'll catch you here. You need to be very careful. So the next cop area is the toll gate. This is the one toll gate and the airport road toll gate up front. So when you guys are coming in the morning, be careful. So I think that's the end of this video, boys. Hope you guys liked it. It was nothing special today. It was just a small casual ride, planned for a city drive, and ended up in a chota ride, but no problem. So I think that's the end of this video, boys. Hope you guys liked it. So if you have any kind of doubts or questions regarding GT or any kind of questions, please make sure to write it down in the comment section or DM it on my Instagram account. I'm really happy to talk to you. And that's about it. If you guys like what I do, please hit the subscribe button and do follow me on Instagram, boys. I keep posting reels, photography and other stuff. That's about it. I'll see you guys in another one. Until then, ride safe. Tada, bye bye.